bakingamoment.com. Do you remember those boxed Crumb donuts that you can get at the convenience store? Those used to be such a fun treat for me when I was a kid growing up. But now I have something even better. Homemade Crumb donuts. Baked with sour cream so they're moist and tender as can be, drenched in a sweet cinnamony glaze, and crusted with a thick layer of crumbly streusel topping. Today I'm going to show you how you can make homemade Crumb donuts in your own home kitchen. So tender and moist, and that streusel topping is everything. So cinnamony and good. These homemade Crumb donuts are so good, you won't ever need to go back to the convenience store again. Find the full recipe at bakingamoment.com.